Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you exercise 14a. This exercise is about time. Children, you know that time is measured in minutes, hours and seconds. Here is a picture of a clock and there are some numbers written on the dial that shows times. There are two hands, one is a small and one is long hands. The short hands shows hours and the long hands shows minutes. Children, you can see question number 1b. The first hand is just after 12 and the long hand is just at 6. That means half past 12. Half past 12 means 12:30 minutes. That means you have to write here 12:30. That means 12:30. And question 2. Write the time as shown. Children, here the short hand is just after 4 and the long hand is at 3. That means quarter past 4. That means 4:15. 3 5s are 15. That means each digit had 5 small dots. Each digit had 5 small dots. That indicates minutes. That means 3 5s are 15. That means 15 minutes. 4:15. That means a quarter past 4. As well as question 3. Draw the hands to show the time. Children, here is already written 7:47. That means 7 hours 47 minutes. 7 hours, that means 7 has been passed. So the short hand is just after 7 and the long hand is just at 47. That means 9 5s are 45. That means just after 2 dots, 95, 96 and 97. Just after 2 dots, you indicate the minutes hands. That's so 7. Now children, take question number 4. How much time has passed? Here children, you can see there are 2 clocks. In the first clock, the time shows 3 a.m. Here shows a.m. time and here there shows also a.m. time. The short hand is at 3 and the long hand is at 12. That means 3 a.m. And in the second clock, the short hand is just after 3 and the long hand is just after 9. 2 dots after 9. That means 3 and 9 5s are 45 and plus 2. That means 47. That means here is 3 a.m. and here is 3:47 a.m. That means 47 a.m. has passed. 47 minutes has passed. That you can write here 47 mi 47 minutes. In question number 5, children, fill in the time with am or pm as needed. Children, after 12 at midnight, AM starts to the 12 at noon. That means during day. That is so. That is indicates with AM. That means anti-meridian. And after 12 noon, we indicates PM. That means post-meridian. Here 5 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning. Just I have told you after 12 from midnight starts AM. That means 5 o'clock in the morning shows 5 AM. That means 5 AM. Here 12 noon. That means 12 noon. Midnight. Midnight means 12 at night. 12 at 12 night. 12 at night. 6. Number of hours between AM and noon. AM and noon. Noon indicates the time of midday. That means 12 o'clock midday time. That means here the duration is 6 AM to 12 midday, 6 hours. That means you subtract 12, 6 from 12, that you get 6. That means 6 hours. Number of hours between 6 AM and noon. That means 6 hours. Here, number of hours between 8 PM and 3 AM. Then after 8 PM, after 8 PM to 12 midnight, the time is from 8 to 12 midnight, 4 hours, and after 12 midnight, that means midnight to 3 AM, that means 3 hours. That means 4 hours and 3 hours. That means 7 hours. Children, like this, you can solve all the questions given in this exercise. Thank you, children.